Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best flashlight bulbs is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of owning a flashlight, but it's crucial for ensuring your device remains functional and reliable. Whether you're navigating a power outage, exploring the outdoors, or simply need a quick light source, a working flashlight is indispensable. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about replacing your flashlight bulbs. Number 5. Honoson 30 Lumen LED Flashlight Bulbs. This pack includes 3 replacement LED bulbs. They are designed to meet your daily needs. Make sure to check the size information before purchasing. Each bulb is about 0.3 centimeters long, making it easy to store. It won't take up much space. Keep it away from children to prevent any accidental swallowing. Replacing the old bulb is easy. You can quickly swap it out without any hassle. This is a great way to refresh your old flashlight. These bulbs work with 2-cell AA, C, or D flashlights. They are made of quality materials for long-lasting use. Each package undergoes strict quality checks. These 30 lumen LED bulbs have a 10-year lifespan. They are easy to install and very durable. They are perfect for providing light and meeting your daily lighting needs. If you have any issues, please contact customer service. What we like. This bulb boasts an impressive 10-year lifespan, meaning less frequent replacements. It's also incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you have older flashlights that need a reliable and long-lasting upgrade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit perfectly, easy to replace. All 3 work and have a similar pattern, nothing out of focus or dark in the center, etc. What makes these upgrade bulbs work so well is the placement of LED high up in the clear plastic bulb, in the same position as the old incandescent filaments used to be. So, the light from the LED hits the reflector where it was designed to work. Number 4. Honoson 3W LED Flashlight Bulbs Replacement Kit. Tired of dim flashlights? These Honoson LED bulbs are the perfect solution. They easily convert your old flashlights into bright, efficient lights. You'll receive 3 bulbs, ensuring you have replacements on hand. Each bulb boasts a 3W LED chip, providing a powerful and long-lasting light source. These bulbs work with a voltage range of DC 4V to 12V. They are designed to fit most C and D cell flashlights, making them a versatile upgrade. Experience the difference with daylight white light. The LED bulbs offer a significant upgrade over traditional incandescent bulbs, providing a brighter and clearer beam. Replacing your old bulb is simple. Just unscrew the flashlight head, remove the old bulb, and insert the new one. It's quick and easy. These LED bulbs are built to last, offering up to 30,000 hours of use. They also consume less energy, saving you money in the long run. What we like. This product provides a bright LED light, significantly improving visibility compared to older bulbs. It's compatible with a wide voltage range, making it versatile for various flashlights. If you are looking to upgrade your flashlight with a brighter and more efficient light source, this is a great option. What people say. So far so go nice and bright. I bought these LED replacement bulbs to replace the PR2 bulb and replace the 2 AA batteries with rechargeable 14,500 lithium-ion batteries. Wow, the difference was amazing. All 3 worked properly and were brighter than the original bulbs. Number 3. Honoson E10 LED Bulbs 3V Miniature Flashlight. These miniature LED flashlight bulbs are made of quality glass and metal. They are designed to last, providing stable and reliable light for your needs. Replacing the bulb is simple and quick. You can easily install or remove it from your flashlight without any hassle. It's a convenient way to refresh your device. These bulbs fit in flashlights or mini bulb E10 holders. The bulbs require 2 batteries in series to operate. The durable materials ensure a long lifespan. Each bulb is about 2.1 centimeters long, making it small and easy to store. It won't take up much space, perfect for keeping them on hand when you need them. You'll receive a pack of 10 bulbs, providing ample replacements. Make sure to check the size before purchasing to ensure a proper fit for your device. What we like. These miniature bulbs are easy to replace and won't take up much space. You get a pack of 10, ensuring you have replacements on hand. If you like having a backup, or need a small, reliable bulb for your mini flashlights, consider this one. What people say. These 3-volt pre-focus LED bulbs are direct replacements for those used in many smaller flashlights and pen lights. Upgrading is as easy as removing your exiting bulb and installing one of these. The bulb dropped right in and, with a freshly charged pair of AA batteries, the light is way brighter than with an incandescent bulb. Number 2. 6-pack Krypton replacement flashlight bulbs. These Krypton flashlight bulbs produce 4.8 volts at 0.75 amps, providing bright light for your everyday needs. They are designed to offer reliable illumination whenever you need it. The replacement bulbs are compatible with 4D lights. The quality glass and metal materials ensure they last, offering you long-lasting performance. Installing these flashlight bulbs is a breeze. You can quickly replace old or broken bulbs without any hassle, saving you time and effort. Each bulb is about 0.3 centimeters in length, making them small and easy to store. They won't take up much space, but keep them away from small children. You'll receive 6 packs of these replacement bulbs, providing you with plenty for daily use. Make sure to check the size before you buy them. What we like. This Krypton bulb provides a bright light output, perfect for various lighting needs. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. If you need a bright and easy-to-install replacement for your flashlight, this is a solid choice. What people say. My husband replaced the old bulb and the flashlight lantern works as good as ever. They work in all my flashlights. Arrived well packed and unbroken and work well. Number 1. Maglite 2-cell AA mini flashlight replacement lamps. Are you looking for replacement lamps for your Maglite flashlight? This 2-pack is designed specifically for the 2-cell AA mini flashlight. It ensures you have a spare when you need it. These replacement lamps are made to perfectly fit your Maglite 2-cell AA mini flashlight. They are easy to install, so you can quickly replace a burnt-out bulb. This ensures your flashlight is always ready to go. These lamps provide bright and reliable light. They are designed to meet Maglite's high standards for quality and performance. You can count on it to illuminate your path. The 2-pack provides you with a spare lamp. This is convenient for keeping on hand for when you need it. This ensures you're never left in the dark. Installing the replacement lamps is simple and quick. Just unscrew the flashlight head, remove the old lamp, and insert the new one. It's a simple process. What we like. This is specifically designed for Maglite 2-cell AA mini flashlights, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Replacing the bulb is a breeze, getting your flashlight back in action quickly. If you own a Maglite AA mini, this is the ideal replacement. What people say. Bright and long-lasting. The bulbs fit perfectly and are very bright. These bulbs are a great replacement for my old flashlight bulbs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.